guys, welcome back to another video. So this video is going to be a maintenance vlog because as you can see I clearly need it and my hair looks terrible, and overall I just haven't been feeling this good this week, so it's definitely needed. So this vlog is gonna have everything. You can see it in the thumbnail and the title, so you already know what this video is gonna be. I don't want to do too much yapping, so let's just go ahead and get into the video. The first thing I'm going to be doing is taking a shower, so let's go do that. Hey you guys, so this voiceover is my first voiceover, so it's probably going to be bad, but here I'm doing my hair. I'm just wetting my hair so that I can sort of detangle it and just get all of it so that when I comb through it and wash it and everything, I'm not messing with it too much, and to prevent a lot of breakage, and then also just to rinse out some of the buildup that's in my hair. And then after that I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my Mael shampoo, which is gonna come up in a little bit. Yep, so then that one was the detangling shampoo, so I'm just gonna do that in my roots so that I could just kind of get everything that's like built up on my scalp and everything, so I can have a clean scalp to work with, because that just always helps promote hair growth. Here's what it's looking like, and then I'm gonna go ahead and then that's when I start shampooing my entire scalp and everything, just really getting, oh my gosh, not my entire scalp, my entire head of hair, and then just getting all that in there, massaging it in, getting all the product out, making sure it looks like I'm being rough, but I promise you I'm not. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and rinse that out and get all of it out of there, make sure I'm getting all the shampoo out, rinsing it properly but not being harsh with my hair. It may look like I am because of the speed of the video, but I promise you I'm not. So then I'm just gonna rinse it out really good. This is what it's looking like after the 2 washes. So now I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna start splitting my hair in half. You'll see me do that here in a second. So I'm gonna do 4 sections at a time when I detangle my hair. So I put one side up, then we're gonna split this side that's left out into 2, and then put the front section up. I'm gonna rinse my hair to get it nice and wet to prevent breakage and all of that. My Black is Beautiful conditioner, like I said, combing it from the ends to my roots, because that also prevents breakage and it's just not good for curly hair, and I don't think it's good for any hair because it pulls out your hair. I'm sectioning it into smaller sections because I need to get all the tangles out and detangle it super good. It's taking me a long time, but that's just what it takes to get your hair nice and good. So then I'm just going to, yeah, so there you can see it's definitely detangled. My curls are coming out. So the conditioner that I use is really good. It softens my hair up super fast, and I just highly recommend it if you have my hair texture or any other texture and some of the store-bought stuff that you have isn't really working. We get it off Amazon. Like I said, it's not mine, it's my auntie's. I stole it from her. But if you see on the other side, I twist my hair after detangling it, so there's going to be 4 twists. Depending on your hair texture, you might want to do smaller twists, but for mine, my curls look better when I do bigger twists, so for this I just did that. And this conditioner really helps with my dyed hair, so I really love it. This is the shaving cream that I use, and then the body wash, which keeps my skin super soft. And then next for exfoliating, I just use Tree Hut, which works really good all together. Okay guys, I'm fresh out the shower. My hair looks a hot mess, obviously. I'm about to do it and all that, but first I want to show you guys what I use after the shower. I've already showed this in like a couple videos, but I'm just going to show it again because that's what this video is about. So first we're going to start off with my Vaseline products. I use the Cocoa Radiant lotion and body oil. So that's lotion and body oil. I'm pretty sure I just did that. And then for like my hands and like dark areas and stuff, I use this cocoa butter formula, and this is by Palmer's, so that's what I use. And then for my face, my skincare, this lighting is like not it. So first I'm gonna do my hair and get it all wrapped up, and then we're gonna move on to my face. Well, actually first I'm gonna do my out of the shower routine, so I'll see you guys in a second. I don't know how I forgot, but I use this deodorant. It's Degree, the Ultra Clear Black and White, and then I also use whitening creams. So you can honestly just find those kind of things anywhere. But now I'm gonna go ahead and move on. Now I'm gonna go ahead and move on to my hair, and then we're gonna do my face, and then I'm gonna do my lashes and my toes, so it's just overall getting all nice and cleaned up. And I'm also gonna give myself a little manicure, and so a mani pedi, and so we're gonna do my hair now. I just put my tripod in like a really awkward position behind my sink, but I hope this works because I just been wanting to get like a front angle because I feel like that's more professional and it just kind of works better. So we're going to be trying that. For a leave-in conditioner, I'm going to be using the same brand that I used in the shower, and I've never actually used this before. I just stole it from my mom because mine ran out. So we're going to see how well it works, and then I'm going to show you guys a hairstyle that I'm going to try. Hopefully it works out. If not, you're probably going to see me skip ahead to something that probably isn't even similar. So that's gonna be it. So I'm just gonna skip ahead because I feel that's kind of boring to watch because this isn't a hair tutorial video. So I'm gonna do that real quick and then I'll see you guys when I come back. Okay, it looks really stupid right now, but I did for the back, I did twist, so then when I take it out it will be nice and curly, and then for the top it's just a poof. So you guys get the idea. And then I'm gonna do the edges later, but that's what it looks like right now. So you just have to trust the process. I'm gonna do my skincare routine really quickly, and then we're gonna move on to doing my lashes and then mani-pedi, and then we're gonna be done with this video. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my skincare, and then we're gonna move on to my lashes, but I'm gonna time lapse my skincare and then time lapse my lashes and talk a little bit.
With me, it's this bitch, okay? He say he ain't fucking around, I look at him like, okay, I used to be
high volume,
okay? I'm pretty, then I'm motherfucker, hoes me looking okay.
See the background, but I'm gonna be using these lashes to do my lashes today. The glue that came with it kind of sucks, not even gonna lie. So I'm gonna try to use something to get it out. And so they still stick, like they'll stick but not like a week like the other ones I have, which I'm gonna order again. So I'm probably not gonna order this again, but I want to make the most of my money, so I'm gonna so I was able to get it and it's like coming out really good now, so I'm gonna do that. My phone ran out of storage, so I'm gonna have to do this off camera, so I'll see you guys when I get back. So these are my lashes. I like the simple like lash look, so I don't like them to be too full, but here's how they turned out. I used longest to small, so 16, 14, 12, and 10. So they look pretty simple and they're not too much, but they look good, so I think they look good. So that will be it for right now. So now we're gonna move on to my hands and my feet. My toes look diabolical. Hey you guys, so it is the next day. I ended up talking to my auntie. I didn't do my toes or anything. I never ended up doing that. I don't think I will because I figured like I don't really have anywhere to go, and they look fine because I'm not gonna have my toes out, but they look good enough to not look bad. But so you can see my hair, it looks a mess, so we're gonna finish up my hairstyle just to see if it looks good because I have to go somewhere tomorrow, so you guys can sit with me and do that for a little bit. But yeah, get some lighting going in here. So I'm just going to use my blow dryer to stretch them, and then I'm going to undo them. My bathroom looks a hot mess from yesterday. Like, it's not even funny. Look, I'm going to show you guys. That was my cousin, but I literally don't know how things got. Like, well, I do, but like, this is from me taking my hair out, me doing my hair yesterday. And then my mirror, my blow dryer, I accidentally got lash glue on there. I cut some of my ends, and then just, this is where I normally put you guys on top of there. But then my stuff, my lashes, so everything's just all over the place. But of course I am going to be cleaning it after I do my hair and stuff. So go ahead and do my hair. Of course I'm going to time lapse that, and then I'll let you guys know at the end. This is how it looks. It's low-key cute, but I think next time I'll try twisting the top too, because I don't know what I was thinking. But my edges look like somebody like painted them on, or just like cut hair and stick it on my stuck it on my forehead. So I'm gonna do my I mean, is it worth doing my edges? I mean, I'm not going anywhere, but I think the hairstyle is cute. I'm also gonna like pick it out a little bit, but I don't want to mess with it too much right now. Unless I'm going somewhere, and then I'll like touch it a little bit. But right now, I think it looks fine. Make sure to stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. Unfortunately, this is the end of the video. If you made it this far, thank you so much. Stay tuned for more content like this, and definitely stay tuned for my back to school episodes or like videos, because it will be some good stuff. And then make sure that you're liked and subscribed, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.